What's going on, guys? This is Decelation, Brian.
What's going on, Pete?
And we have a guest on the channel today. Bob, go ahead and say hi.
Hi, how are you?
And look what Bob brought. He wanted to come check out the truck, but I wanted to check out what he brought. Oh, yeah, so go ahead and break it down. What do we have in front of us?
33 Factory 5 with a 1951 Merc flathead engine, completely rebuilt. Not too hot on the horsepower, but lots of fun.
Oh, yeah.
Automatic transmission and tires bigger than it can spin.
There you go. Keeps you out of trouble, right?
Yeah, I tried to build this as an old school hot rod, not as a fast car, but as a fun car.
There you go.
Yeah.
And man, it's a beautiful car too. Look at this. As Brian is drooling. Don't drool on this paint, Brian.
I won't. It's too nice.
I know. Look at that. So it's still just like every other project in the world. What do you say? It's still under progress?
Yep, still in the works. I worked on it for 1 year. We're down here just to break it in. 2018 independent rear end out of a Mustang.
Yeah, right there. Look at that. IRS, baby. Oh, I wish I could have did IRS. Oh, man.
Yeah, I do like it.
And
full fendered, full bumpered. I'm kind of an old school guy, so I've got the old tail lights. Bumpers I fabricated.
very nice.
Yeah.
This thing's a beaut. And he showed us you built custom door panels because of the
Yeah, they're not too good yet.
he's still working on them.
Oh yeah, exactly.
But that's the nature of part, because you wanted speakers.
Yeah, the only place I could find for my door speakers.
That's awesome.
And there's no place up here. I've got 2 speakers behind the seat. I
Oh,
have a
cool.
digital radio, which unfortunately is loose right now. And the inside is not photographic, but that's fine. It's in works.
Anyone that's subscribed to my channel knows you got to have a certain level of sketchy to be on my channel anyway. So you fit right in, my friend. It's still in progress though, man. This is gorgeous.
So we put 30 over pistons, 3/4 cam for the rattle. Headers, dual Strombergs for frustration.
There's no other way around that.
No, you got to do it, but it's just a pain. But we're on round 2 of wiring. We have a Mallory ignition. I put the wrong wires on, cooked the ignition, so then I realized I had the wrong wires, so we did wiring 2.
We know about versions 2 and 3 and 40.
Yeah, we have twin water pumps, so we had to modify the rad for the twin hoses. March Industries provided the front end, which give me air conditioning and alternator, serpentine belt, and a whole bunch more stuff to polish.
Oh, that is pretty though. Yeah. Oh my god, that is pretty. I didn't even take a look at that. Jeez.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want it to run?
Of course we want it to run. That's the best part of this channel. We make noise here. Look at that. Listen to that. Yeah, a little. That's a good Ford sound right there. Yeah, that sounds great.
Oh, I love it.
You're making this man happy right here, Brian.
I love it. It's great.
I mean, that's beautiful and fast.
Oh yeah.
This is gorgeous. Cool.
They're both beautiful. And honestly speaking, even still, how light these cars are, this still will pick up and move. This is still faster than most people can handle, trust me.
Wait, no, and yeah, I went fast young. I want to look.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
And an old flathead V8, you cannot beat the gorgeousness of that.
1951, man. Older than all of us.
Oh, yeah. Man, that is beautiful. Oh.
Her like that,
Oh, yeah.
right?
Like, I'm surprised how well, like, one, how quickly it started right up. Not even a hesitation. And then it just immediately went to just purring.
It has to have a little bit of choke,
Okay.
even when it's warm, just a subtle touch.
Okay.
Mechanical choke because there's carburetor.
Oh, of course,
And
yeah.
then, yeah, once it warms up,
Just runs like a top. Man, this Brian.
Mechanical chokes.
Brian,
Well, all these kids out there have no idea what that actually means.
explain to the people how excited you are. Like I've had these conversations with Brian that we haven't had on camera because some people don't want to hear us just talking. I don't know why.
Oh no, this is all. I mean, this is what I think of when you think of hot rods. And the whole scheme of it is
This is a hot rod.
carburetors, an old engine, just something somebody worked on. I mean, granted it was in the 70s, but my uncle used to drag race Novas and Chevelles in the 70s. That was before nitrous was big. They used to just pipe straight O2 into the carburetors. So you were literally driving a bomb down the road, but that's what they figured out how to do to get faster, and that's what I like. I mean, it is. He's right. The Strombergs are a pain in the ass to play with, and they're a pain in the ass to tune and get everyone in, but it's what you think of.
Yeah.
Either that or the velocity stacks, and that's another pain in the ass that I don't want to deal with. So
Now that I've got it this far, I mean, it only has 1,200 miles on it, so it's far from broke in, but it's starting to. Every day it's just a little better.
Exactly.
And once it's a little less hiccup, and I think it's supposed to just pop it in and come to the rhythm.
Exactly. Thank you for coming down, man. That was awesome.
I'm glad to come here.
Yeah, I didn't want to film because the GoPro camera can't even pick up the hot rod truck running anyways.
Well, when you guys come down to see my trailer,
Oh.
I need a day's notice, and I'll move it so we can actually open it all up.
Oh yes, I will definitely let you know.
Yeah, so I need to, you give me a day's notice, and I'll make sure we can.
I will take you up on that. Oh my God, you guys need to see this trailer. We're gonna do a video of this one
oh yeah, we got to do a video of that.
because I just he showed me just pictures and explained what it can do, and I was drooling over the pictures. Oh my God. So yeah, we're gonna have a video of that too. But man, this is gorgeous. Thank you guys for subscribing, and this is a little bit different content, but hey, Bob hit me up. He wanted to see a truck, and I was like, he's like, I have a 33, and I was like, please bring it down. Yes, we want to check it out. But thank you guys. You guys have a good one. Peace.